clean that deck good underneath. I said, I'll stop that noise. I can raise my own mower now. I got me a chicken horse. I can raise that mower up anytime I want to and do good. Every other time I mow, I raise it up, I grease that bearing under there, and clean that deck out underneath. And then
You figured that out, didn't you?
it'll cut you a good smooth lot.
Your yard always looks good.
Huh?
Your yard always looks good.
Well, look at it when we get over every day. I'm not bragging, but I don't mow like other people. Jerry Glenn mows so low, and I think that's what's happening to David's yard. He's mowing it too low, and the dews that we have is not happening in it. But it's okay. But he just said his grass wasn't growing.